She's ripping, guys. She's ripping. All right. Just figured I'd make like a little update video of me cruising, just because it's been so long since I took the car out for a rip, and I finally got the tune dialed in. I know I didn't show you guys the tune, but tuning is still kind of difficult for me, so it's a bit of a process. So I have a tough time talking and filming while I'm, you know, driving and trying to tune. It's kind of difficult, so I figured let me just get the tune squared away, and then I'll let you guys hear a couple of test rips. Oh my God. You know, I can't say how many times I've made fun of Kyle from the Boosted Boys for doing that, but I just freaking did it. You know, I just 3-2'd it. That was ridiculous. Sorry, guys. You know what? This motor can take some abuse. All right. Now that we know the motor's okay, I'm gonna do that again. Hopefully we don't do that the same way. Okay, so, woo! I think we might hit some kind of boost cut, or we hit something, because I hit some kind of cut. That was nuts. Wow, guys. This is crazy. So, all in all, car's running good. I'm very happy. I'm not sure what that cut was that we hit. I'm not sure what our boost cut is set to. I guess, I don't know, maybe this thing's making a lot of steam because of the new exhaust. I'm not really sure. I wasn't really watching. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on the boost and see where it goes. But I definitely can't stop driving this thing now. I gotta go for some more pulls. But definitely take you guys along. The GoPro's about to die, so I don't know how long I'll be able to film, but hopefully I can get at least one more good pull in here for you guys. Yeah, that's why the car feels like it's ripping, guys, because we're making a good amount of boost. we're making all of 13 pounds, I would say. We're making all of 13 pounds. I think we did hit boost cut. So I think that's probably why it ended up stopping us on that one pole when I went from second to third, and I was high enough in the RPM range where that sudden like load of me hitting third, I think, was enough to make us hit boost cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and make an adjustment. Let's see if I can pull over really quick and adjust our boost cut. And I currently have the hot cut set at about 13, so I'm gonna go to about 15 just because I'm feeling risky, and we'll upload that, and we'll see if we can do another rip like that, guys, because that was awesome. We gotta have enough road for it, so that's kind of the tough spot here. We're hitting some bumps there. It's kind of tough to tell. I guess, I don't know, maybe the boost is creeping, guys. I exhaust? I don't think so. Maybe the other exhaust was so restrictive that it didn't allow the boost to creep, but now it's actually creeping. So not really sure. Gonna have to see what kind of boost we make in like a 4th gear pull, because if it goes up past my 15-pound boost cut, I don't know if I'm ready to run more than 15 pounds right now. That's kind of a lot of boost. I kind of just want to drive the car, not blow it up right away. So it would be nice if I could not blow it up. That would be ideal. I think the car is ready though. It seems like it's ready to drive, like daily wise. I think I'm gonna take it to work, you know, starting tomorrow morning. Get some driving time in. Really miss driving it. It's a fun car, and yeah, it's a hell of a lot of fun to drive. And it gets really good mileage too. 28 miles per gallon, so that's way better. It's about double what I'm getting in the truck. So I don't think there's anything wrong with driving this thing every day. And it makes these kinds of noises, which the truck definitely doesn't do. About 15, maybe 14 PSI. I really got to fix the data logging capabilities, and then maybe we can actually see what kind of boost we end up at. But one of these days I'll freaking fix it. I've become so accustomed to tuning with the wideband that I just don't even bother like looking, you know, so I guess it is what it is. But sorry guys, the GoPro did actually die there at that point, but hopefully you did enjoy the video up until then. Definitely going to be more videos of me ripping it. It's starting to get warm out, and just taking it for that one rip made me remember how much I miss driving it. So I'll be driving it more, and I'll take you guys along. I really want to get some outside of the car driving clips, because the exhaust, I bet it sounds so good, because when this thing's ripping it sounds awesome. Like, you can even tell it's non-VTEC. When the boost hits, it sounds like VTEC anyway, so I'm pumped. It sounds great. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, and peace out.